We have made a commitment as the ANC that we will also engage them, Solidarity and Afriforum. We would want to engage them because we have sat with our own enemies over time to negotiate what we have here today. And it takes a movement like the ANC to show the world that for any conflict, finally we all have to come together and sit and iron out our differences. So we will, as part of the outcomes of this NEC, work towards engaging with them. But the thing that we want to actually emphasize, our constitution informs what we are doing. Our laws dictate how we must build this nation. And of importance, we can't be handpicking things in the constitution and people want to open them up. The majority of South Africans would want to open up many other sections in the constitution.